Let's talk goals! What are SMART goals and why do we need them? Okay, so I don't mean like SMART goals as in dumb goals or SMART goals. SMART is actually an acronym, so it stands for something. S-M-A-R-T. The S means specific. Goals shouldn't be too vague because you kind of lose focus on it. So something like, I want to learn to play piano. That's a really, really vague goal. There's no details surrounding that statement, so it's really hard to achieve. Measurable, very important. So this helps you understand if you've reached your goal. So I want to learn to play the piano. Let's make it measurable. I want to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. So if I can play Mary Had a Little Lamb, then at least there is some sort of measure to compare to. Then if that is my goal and I can play it, then I know that I have achieved my goal. Now that's not it. There are still some more acronyms to go. A, achievable. So I have to set a goal that is achievable, meaning it has to be realistic. I can't go and make some crazy goal that I will never achieve in a million years. I need to know my own limitations, my own skill set, and make a goal based on those. Goals have to be relevant, okay? Make sure that it is relevant to your life. Make sure it is relevant to the things that you do, your passions, your hobbies. It really doesn't make sense, for example, for me to set a goal like, I want to play basketball. I have no interest in basketball. I don't want to play basketball. I've played it before and I don't like basketball. So setting a goal that has to do with basketball does nothing for me. I'll set the goal, I probably won't be motivated to achieve it, so it is a useless goal at that point. And last one, the T. Very important, time bound. So goals have to have a deadline. I want to learn to play Mary Had a Little Lamb on the piano. I mean, I need to set a time frame for this. I can't set this goal and then 10 years later that is my same goal and has not been achieved. I need to give myself a deadline for achieving this goal. So I want to play Mary Had a Little Lamb on the piano within a month. Goals give you a purpose in life, okay? So I mean, life, you kind of have to have a rough plan, I feel like. For sure, still make sure to enjoy your life. Don't make a plan and stick to it rigidly. Make goals and stick to it rigidly. At least have a rough kind of outline of how you want your life to look like. Where do you want to be in 5 years? I mean, year after year, are you doing the same thing? Are you moving on in life? Are you improving, upgrading yourself? It's very important to keep this going in life, I feel like. For example, if you are a student, do you want to finish school, graduate, and get a job? Do you want to graduate and then do a gap year? You have to have a rough plan in life, and goals are not any different. We need some goals to give us a sense of direction in life. It also kind of keeps us motivated, I feel like. Once you set a small goal, you achieve that goal. You go on to the next goal. You are more motivated because of the success and of the results you've seen from the last goal. You're actually evolving to become a better version of yourself. I do have a few goals of my own. For example, I want to grow my YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers, but I can't just not give it a time limit, right? I mean, in the next 5 years, 10 years, in the next month. So those are SMART goals. I hope that you learned a little something from this video. Let me know if you have a goal this year. Leave it down in the comments below and I will check it out. Now make sure to subscribe and set your notifications up because in my next video, I will show you how to set up SMART goals and I will give you some real examples that you can think about as well. Okay, bye for now. Thank you.